moment.
given in
Zafar
Bihar.
Islam, one moment. Let Shakti Singh Goel speak,
you must
please.
create
now.
more
One
options.
moment. Shakti Singh Goel, Punjab Chief Minister should perhaps convince his own farmers is one view of the experts who have, you know, the farmers of Punjab have benefited the most from the current, what is being said as a lopsided system. Punjab accounts for 13% of the country's rice and wheat crop, but FCI in fact procures 26% from here. Can the state chief minister start convincing the farmers? Because the genesis of this entire protest is coming from Punjab. Mr. Goel.
Maria ji, the thing is, if something is hurting me, I know that this is hurting me, this is bad for me. Now how can you convince anyone? When the laws are so bad that no one can convince the farmers, because it is against the farmers. For generations they will have to suffer. I will give you one example in Bihar, wherein the BJP is in power with the coalition partner. There is no APMC in Bihar, and today what is happening in Bihar? If you go to the figures, last year the paddy purchased on MSP was 0 because there was no APMC. APMC is surviving on what? Because the shares is APMC is entitled to collect shares, whether it is sold in the APMC or a private player is buying. Whoever is purchasing, purchaser will have to give shares to APMC, and that is why APMC is surviving. And APMC run by farmers, and APMC is creating infrastructure. So tomorrow, today, what is the situation? Because there are APMC, there are infrastructure. If I am going to sell my product, and if I don't get today the best price, I can have a infrastructure in APMC where I can keep my goods over there, my farm products there, and next day I will go in an auction. If the new laws will be implemented, that the
Mr.
APMC
Goel,
cannot ask for the shares.
the question
whatever
that is
sold
fundamental
in market.
again
So
is,
APMC will not survive.
what are the solutions?
No
What
MSP.
is the solution that you
So
are
there
offering?
are so many clauses.
Are you saying that the repeal of the laws is the only solution?
Yes, good question. Good question. There is a simple law. There is a remedy available. During the discussion of this law, we had suggested that let us have this bill discussed with the standing committee. Let the standing committee have an opinion from the Farmers Association. Thereafter, whatever the good clause is acceptable to all, come in the house.
I'll give the
we
final
will
words
also
to
support
Priyanka
and let us
Chaturvedi,
pass
being
the
the
bill.
woman on the panel.
Government
But
is
before that,
government was so arrogant.
Zafar Islam, 30 seconds.
Was not ready to give a 1 minute even without a division of votes. The bills were passed. That's unconstitutional.
Okay,
Supreme
Zafar
Court
Islam.
has said if one member is asking for division,
Mr. Goel,
division
you were also
shall
there.
be given. Here by
You were
voice
there,
vote,
you were
because
sitting in
government
the
was not
parliament,
in
so was I,
majority.
so was
Zafar
Priyanka.
Islam, quickly, yes.
Priyanka ji.
Haan.
And we all know that it was discussed, deliberated, and it was passed on the floor of the parliament. It's very unfair to make this kind of statement that it was
We
not
asked
discussed. There are many opposition
Jafar
parties
bhai,
made
I
a
don't
statement, their
expect
representative
this
made
type
a
of
statement.
blatant
So
lie
it is
from
very
you.
unfair to make this.
BJP
Even today,
means बहुत
you
झूठी
can go
party,
back and check
but
the
from you
record.
I don't expect
You
this
can
type
go back
of
and check
words.
the record for 4 hours.
We
it was
on
discussed.
record it
final
was
words
there.
to the
There
woman on
are
the panel,
videos.
Priyanka Chaturvedi,
We
go
were
ahead.
Your
demanding
senior leaders have
division.
spoken
We
about
were
it.
demanding
So how do
division.
you say that? How
And
do you make
division
the
was
statement
not
that was
given.
not discussed?
Priyanka
It was
Chaturvedi,
discussed,
please.
deliberated, and
Please
then
let
it
us
was
speak.
passed on the floor of the parliament.
Yes.
You are
Priyanka
able to do
Chaturvedi,
that.
please. Yes.
This is not about politics. All I would want to tell the
Yes,
government,
please, go ahead.
the arrogant government at the center right now, arrogant government at the center right now. Please understand, from 2014 onwards, these farmers have chosen to look at Mr. Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India and probably give them a vote in the belief that they will work in their interest. What is happening right now is a betrayal of that trust, betrayal of that vote, and the total arrogance that has seeped in the belief that only the government knows best. The rest of the stakeholders are either anti-nationals, are being promoted by enemy forces, are Naxalites, are Khalistanis, and out there to destroy the idea of India. This is absolutely an unfortunate, arrogant way of looking at a problem. These people trusted you, and you're betraying that trust. And it is up to you and up to the government that they have to live up to their promises made. And for the last point, I'd like to tell Mr. Zafar Islam, there was no true and transparent discussion that happened in the parliament. This particular bill did not even go to the standing committee for discussion. It was just brought in as an ordinance and passed through through a voice vote despite opposition protests. And that is the truth.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shakti Singh Goel, Zafar Islam, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us. The entire debate on news18.com. That's all from me. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.